The stage in HMI that interprets user commands is dash. Graphical user interfaces, GUIs, use dash for interaction. Dash feedback provides the user with real-time confirmation of actions. The dash device allows the user to provide commands through touch. Augmented reality, AR, overlays dash elements onto the real world. A dash interface allows for interaction using voice commands. The earliest form of human-machine interaction was the dash. Dash is a type of interaction where machines interpret hand movements. Dash feedback uses vibrations to simulate touch sensations. Brain-computer interface, BCI, allows communication between the dash and machines.